we move on to one of the most talked about points of the Oscars evening and one of the most interesting, the red carpet looks.
Yes, I think that's one of the most interesting topic that everybody want to discuss. Like, I would want to know what's my favorite, most hated actor is wearing tonight.
So who do we have first on our ballot?
I think it's the biggest winner of the night, Michael B. Jordan, who won
Michael
Best
B. Jordan,
Actor
who won.
for Sinners.
For Sinners.
Did you see what he's wearing?
I
he was
did,
wearing?
absolutely. It was
I loved what he wore. So delighted and sleek. Like the suit he was wearing gave a message that he's gonna win tonight, and he eventually did.
It was a very, like, you would say, dignified kind of look. Very, very well done.
Yes, his fashion statement gave that energy.
And it was a Louis Vuitton look, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
A Louis.
Well, I would personally say that I really loved Louis Vuitton's dresses tonight, wore by major celebrities. Another Louis Vuitton dress that I really liked was worn by Chase Infinity.
Chase Infinity, nominated for Best Supporting Actress for her performance in One Battle After Another.
She wore a lavender dress
A
with
lavender
lots of
Louis
frill.
Vuitton gown, which was incredible, to be honest.
Very simple. It somehow it gave a very 90s look, but it was very simple yet so elegant. Lavender dress, lots of frills, very simple, minimum jewelry, and she slayed.
I think that Chase Infinity has been one of this award season's red carpet breakthroughs. Like, she has been a complete breakout.
And even her hair, though
Her hair, yeah.
the hair she tied,
She has done it differently at every red carpet.
The whole head to toe she did tonight was amazing. It gave a very different fashion statement, I would say, like from head to toe.
Moving on, we have
Audrey Nuna.
Audrey Nuna.
Audrey Nuna, yes.
Okay, so I think that's
She's
more
the
of
star.
a you thing.
She's the star from
K-pop Demon Hunters.
Yes, I loved her statement. She told in an interview during the red carpet appearance, she told that I wasn't very familiar and very into talking during school time, in college. I never felt comfortable around people. But when it comes to clothing, I love what I'm doing to my clothes. I love what I wear. Like somewhat like that she said, and I loved her statement. And oh my god, the dress she was wearing, even though she did not wear Louis Vuitton, but her fashion statement was top 10. It was a golden and black gown with lots of frill again, and I don't know, it was very elegant. It was really elegant.
I think it was really elegant because it was from the house of Thom Browne, who are known for such, like, very, I would say, sleek creations which really complement whoever is wearing them. That's a specialty of the Thom Browne
And the way
brand.
and the way the actress pulled off was amazing.
The way she carried it. I think the K-pop Demon Hunters trio were all dressed in a very fancy ensembles.
Yes.
All of them were very out there, golden, sparkling all over. And I think
Yes, sparkling, I would say it was seen in all the dresses.
well, they had fun.
Yes.
And we had fun seeing them.
Last but not the least, Zoe Saldana. It was a
Sadly.
night gown. It was literally a night gown. This part is sheer and the other one is plain black. What
think
was
there
she
are also-
thinking? I have no idea.
There are
Who
also
suggested the dress?
ways to pull off like lingerie designs on the red carpet, but this was not it.
And she's wearing St. Lawrence. Still, she did
Saint
not slay
Laurent.
at all. She failed to impress the audience.
I think that also might be something to do with Saint Laurent also kind of falling off as a fashion house. Their recent looks have not been giving.
Yeah, I can surely say that after seeing her dress.
So there have been many red carpet looks for the evening. Of course, we haven't covered all of them. We have done what we thought were the standout
Like the
of
major
the evening.
ones.
So whichever ones we missed, let us know and stay with Newsflip.